up, Makhubelez fans? Thanks so much for coming through. Have you ever been at a point where you want to give up? Have you ever been in a situation where things are not going well for you? Have you ever been in a situation when things are tough? What did you do? Get tuned and listen to what worked for us. Listen to what happened to us and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. We're at a point when we wanted to give up. We were at a point when things were not working out spiritually, financially, and physically. Things were so tough. We ended up in a space where it even affected our relationship together. And this is what we did, this is what saved us. Back to the drawing board. We went back to listen to what we wanted. We went back to talking to each other and finding out like what went wrong. Things were tough, yes, but we had a goal that we had in our mind. We had a goal that we were supposed to reach. We had a goal that we were going somewhere together, right? And then this was a major setback in our lives because spiritually things were just not going so well. So we decided as a couple that we are going to stick it out together. We started praying, we started fasting together. We would sit down, pray, sing hymns together, and life kept on going forward. And this is what really saved us. You can realize that in a relationship, in a marriage, when you are together, it's not all about you guys having enough money. It's not all about you guys just being connected together without the other aspects of life coming in. We also had to come through and realize that we are now two people that are together. We are different people that came in together, and we had to live in a space where we make things work for both of us. So the first major thing that really helped us was prayer. Prayer really helped us a lot. We prayed about it. We would commit whatever that we were struggling with to God and say, God, we want you to take over. We want you to help us. We are not going to do this alone. So I can say prayer is one thing that really helped us a lot. Prayer is one thing that we really banked on, and prayer is one thing that really kept us going forward. It was so difficult and we had no one to turn to, but we made God our shield. We made God our source. We made God our substance. We made God our final and the first and the last in whatever that we were doing. We would commit what we were doing to God and just ask God to really help us. Financial challenges were some of the backbone of what we were struggling with because we didn't have like enough money to cater for our needs, not our wants but our needs. And if you are in an environment where you do not have enough resources, when you do not have like enough things to sustain you, you become stressed. Automatically you become stressed because whatever that you want, you are not getting it. And it also tends to put pressure on you as an individual, on the next person as an individual. So we ended up being in a point where we were stressed, and as we were stressed out, we tended to put the stress on the other person. And we realized that this was making us drift apart. We realized that this was not working out for our good. Then we decided to sit down, we talk about it, and then we move on. One thing about me and my husband is that when we have arguments, we sit down and we talk about it. We don't go to bed sleeping with something that is on our chests and we wake up the following morning still angry about it. He makes sure that we talk about whatever that was bothering us. So we talk it out and we find ways on how we can move forward, on how we can grow to be where we want to be. We find ways to go forward from where we are to where we want to be. Last but not least, I want to find out from you, have you ever been in a space where things are difficult? Have you ever been in a space where you and your partner wanted to give up? What did you do? How did you navigate the whole thing? And what was the biggest strategy that you guys used? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.